we're just going to prep now some vegetables to go in our noodles. So you're going to take some yellow pepper, some red pepper, some what? What's that?
Courgette.
Courgette, fantastic. And a good old onion. So, just take away any excess, any excess membrane. Now, when we stir fry, we call it flash cookery. Why do we call it flash cookery?
It's only in for a matter of like 1-2 minutes.
You've got it. Now, have you already done a stir fry dish?
I am at school.
Did you not do one for an assessment here?
No, not for assessment. We did it like
we did it the first time we did an assessment.
Alright, okay, fine. Right, so I'm going to do a really fine straight cut now. What's that called again?
Julienne?
That's
The
it.
julienne is the one I'm looking for.
If I find it
Right, so I want to follow the shape of the actual veg. It's all roughly the same size, so it can all go in the same compartment. Right, and then your courgette. Don't peel it, keep the outside skin on. Want the colour. It looks like cucumber because it's the same family. Do you know what family that is? Yeah, you're not far off. Keep going. Aqueous.
Yeah, that.
Well done, you.
I remember that. I got
What does aqueous mean?
It's more water content.
Harley,
Yeah.
what are we going to do with you?
Oh, just give me a medal.
Yeah.
I'd be happy. I can hang that on my wall. I've only got one medal. That's for coming
Yeah.
third in go-karting. Bronze go-karting medal.
Okay. Then with your onion, you're not going to dice it, you're going to shred it. Just wonder why that one's so sharp. Onion. Right, okay. So, when you're shredding, just ensure that you take the top and the bottom off your onion.
It's easy.
That will break it up. So then, as you cut down, once you get about halfway, stop, let it drop down, and then carry on again.
It's clever.
You get near your fingers and stop. Now, when you cook, watch what happens. It
It
comes
breaks
apart.
apart.
It doesn't hold together. So, go there.
It does, doesn't it? I know what it is.
Right, well, you are going to be eating it later. Okay, so that's the first bit of mise en place. Now,
And the noodle.
the noodles, just waiting for the water to come to the boil. Come along.
Oh, that's so nasty.
What?